Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to install passion twist on your hair. I started with a freshly washed hair. I washed my hair yesterday night and I put them in this twist after putting my leave-in conditioner and my oil. I put oil in the rubber band for easy take out. I began parting my hair into medium size square. I don't want my parting to be too big or too small. That is why I decided to do the medium parting. After parting my hair, I apply some gel. I use the edge wax. But you can use any thick gel that you have or edge controller that you have. I love this gel because it's really thick and it doesn't flake. Then I took the rubber band and began to make a ponytail. Don't make it too tight, guys. Using the rubber band make your twist out neat and it's easy to work with. So I repeat the same process all over my hair. I bought the passion twist pack in the local beauty store here, and it came with 3 sections. Each section has 9 braids. I did the back section of camera. I take the twist at the middle of it. I unravel the twist and hold the middle of the twist. To install the twist, I pull down one of the ponytail and take the edge control, apply it all the way down to my hair. This helps to stock my hair in the twist nicely. I stretch the passion twist a little bit. Then now with the 2 center and my hair, I began to braid. I braid down to about 1 inch. Once I get there, I separated my hair into 2 parts. Then I begin to twist. I wanted to do a short passion twist, but I realized that my hair is long and I don't want to cut them. So I did a medium size twist. I put the rubber band where I want my twist to end. Then I cut it nicely. I add some edge wax to my hair as I'm braiding and also at the end of my hair so that they can lay down perfectly in the twist. You don't need to worry about the whiteness of the wax. It will disappear once it's dry. In the last three twists, I did no rubber band method of twisting. I apply some edge wax in my hair, then I take the twist and braid about 1 inch after I twist them. It is very easy and I will show you again in the next twist. You can do any of the methods that work best for you. The whole process took me about 3 hours to finish with both the partying, the rubber band, and then the installment of the twist. I love the final results. The twists are so light, and I only use one pack. You can style them anyhow you like. It is easy to sleep with. You can install them by yourself, and I recommend you to try them out. That's all for this video, guys, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to help your girl. See you next time.